Hi, I'm Jerry from Reed's Jewelers. I just stopped by our Orchard Park store and I noticed this beautiful multi-stone sapphire bracelet. And I remember when I was in Thailand with our owner, Jeff Zimmer, who was actually picking out all these sapphires, and he took hours and hours to go through all the different lots of the different colors that are in this. And I was asking, what are you doing? What are you sorting these into? And he said, I have this idea that we're going to create these bracelets with all the different colors in them.
How many bracelets are you hoping to make?
I'd love to get 3 or 4 out of this.
Yeah.
But everyone's handmade, so it takes a lot of goods to do it. They won't be ready for Christmas. This will be for the spring.
Okay. And you're rejecting a lot of stones. What if it's set in a bracelet? What does it matter what the quality is?
You still need the luster. You still need to have it gel.
Really cool to just happen to look in our case and see that this bracelet that was actually designed right here in Buffalo was completed and it was in our case. And just remembering back to watching him pick out the stones right at the source and being so particular that he needed the ones with the most vibrance and most brilliance. And just to see this completed was really cool. So if this looks like something you might want, stop by our location in Orchard Park and check it out.